Hello everyone, well you've just caught me vacuuming, getting everything spick and span ready for Christmas. As you can see, I've got the tree up and already presents have started to arrive from well-wishers and celebrities of this channel. I'll be opening all of those up on Christmas Day. Yes, it's back due to popular demand. I didn't do it last year, what with what was going on in the world. We're still in the same state in the world, but I thought I'll do it anyway. So I put out a request to all my celebrity friends. If they'd like to contribute to my channel, they can. And I believe there's even something from Elton John. Can you believe it? He's managed to scrape up some money to buy me something. Bless him, bless Elton. So just been vacuuming up. Oh yeah, why am I've just forgotten the main reason why I've disrupted your silence is to do I'm going to do a Q&A video session, as I normally do every Christmas. So if you've got a question to ask me, you can ask it below this video only, just under this video here where I'm pointing. If you comment under this video and you want a shout out, an actual shout out, me speaking on my channel to you, comment under this video with a question about vacuum cleaners. Please don't ask me what my favourite vacuum cleaner is. Well, I'll allow that from one person, but try and think of something a little bit different to ask, and I'll do my best to answer it. For the younger fans, your parents will be doing separate requests on my Facebook page. So this is for older people. I don't know, there's no age limit, but this is basically aimed at people that can use the internet without their parents' permission, that sort of thing. So that's what this video is all about. Comment under this video and this video alone if you'd like me to answer your question during a future video coming up either before Christmas or in between Christmas and the New Year. Do you like my socks? Yes, I've got a Christmas pair of socks on today, courtesy of the Happy Sock Company. I've been opening a different pair of socks every day during Advent on my other channel, Roger's Bits and Doings. So thank you if you're watching those videos. If you haven't seen them, there's still time to catch up. You can always go to my channel, Roger's Bits and Doings, and you can see all the Happy Sock Advent calendar videos, plus some other Advent videos I'm doing on that channel. And you can check out all the other videos I've got. They're not all vacuum related. In fact, they're mostly not vacuum related. You might see the odd vacuum or behind the scenes footage, but it's just other things rather than vacuum cleaners on that channel. So if you'd like to subscribe to that, I'd be most grateful. So folks, if you'd like me to answer a question in an upcoming video, please ask the question below this video only. I'll try to get to some of the other comments and questions on my other videos, but this video is specifically to request your comments and questions that I can respond to during a video. So under this video alone, please. So until then, I'm going to carry on with my cleaning. I've got lots to do, a few more videos to prepare, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.